everyone. It's time for a Diamond Art Club unboxing. Now, I had promised myself when I did my stash count video in the beginning of January that I was not going to purchase any more kits for a long while. However, the Chuck Along 3 is coming up, and it's something that I did want to participate in. So it was kind of the excuse I needed to buy a Chuck Pinson painting that I had been wanting and just hadn't picked up yet. So, let's see what it is. You ready? You ready? Let's see. Let's see if I can get you up close enough. It's a round, and it is American Roots. So I've got a bit of a glare there. That's weird. But anyway, it's American Roots by Chuck Pinson. This is one that I was really interested in doing, really love. You know, it's 4th of July with the flags there. At least it reminds me of 4th of July. And as you guys, if you've watched my channel at all, you probably are aware that holiday pieces really get me excited. So this was one that I had been thinking about for a while. It was in stock, the Chuck Along, so much for my no-buy. So this, of course, did come in the Diamond Art Club red and white box that we all know and love so well. I figured I would take this out because, you know, you guys have seen those boxes before. So let me just get this plastic off so that we can get into this painting. So when it comes to events like this Chuck Along, I did the Winter with DAC event in December, and it wasn't the first time I've participated in something. I participate in the oh gosh, what is it? Drills and Chills. I've participated in that for the last 2 years. But when it came to the Winter with DAC, participating in that event really kind of stressed me out quite a bit. But I think the reason is because I was working on 2 different pieces. One that I wanted to use as decor here at the shelter, and one that I wanted to do for my daughter. So I was doing 2 different holiday pieces. You know, life was really busy, so it kind of stressed me out. So I'm going to try participating in this Chuck Along. I'm only going to do just this one painting in the month of March, and we'll see how stressed I feel. If it makes me feel stressed, this will probably be the last event I participate in other than Drills and Chills, because I really love participating in Drills and Chills. But we'll see. We'll see how stressed I get. So, okay. So there's our sticker. Yay. And then, is there anything else in here? Oh yeah, the big sticker kind of always gets stuck. So there's the big sticker with my color key. This is a round. It has 39 colors. There's my color key. And oops, upside down. There's a better look at that beautiful painting. Yeah, this is going to be really fun to have for decor here at the shelter. I think that it's also going to be a good thing that I'm working on a 4th of July piece for the beginning of March, or in the beginning of March, because that will make it less stressful, I think, too. Because when I was doing the Winter with DAC, I wanted to get those pieces done so I could use them as decor here at the shelter. Of course, that did not happen, so I don't know. It was just all really stressful. So we'll see how this one goes. Of course, it comes with your standard Diamond Art Club toolkit in the nice reusable bag. I use these a lot to put the kits that I put together for the residents here at the shelter, so I always save these. Oh, quite a few bags. That's, I think, a lot of bags. I always use these too, because with doing you know, projects for the residents. I never have enough bags. Of course, 2 heart-shaped plates of wax, a blue pen, a 4-placer, and a clear boat, and blue squishy. So yeah, just your standard stuff. So now for the painting. Oh my gosh. So, of course, this is a Chuck Penson. I mean, it's the Chuck-along, so that's the whole point, right? Chuck Penson has a tendency to be pretty confetti heavy. So, I don't know. Let's see if I can get more of this in for you. My space to do videos is really, really limited. Oh my gosh, it's really, really pretty. And the confetti on this, just giving it a quick glance, it doesn't look too bad. Maybe over in here just a little bit, but a lot of this is actually small sections of color blocking. Wow, this is going to be so nice, you guys. Look at those flags and the bunting, you know, the White House, the picket fence. This is actually kind of similar to the house that we live in here. Would be really awesome if this was yellow like our house. I could probably change it, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm just going to let it be beautiful just the way Chuck Penson designed it. So yeah, so far this does not seem to be too awfully confetti heavy. There's a lot of areas where either it's, you know, small areas of color blocking. So this may actually, since it doesn't have a ton of confetti, this may be a quicker piece to work on. Of course, it's round, so that's going to make it a little quicker. And also with the little color blocking sections, you know, and there, it's not huge amounts. Let me see if I can get you close enough to see. So like, take a look right in there. So we've got areas where it's not huge color blocking sections. There's some variation, but you know, there's a lot of the same color in the same area or in one area. So I think that will make it quicker. And also I find when there's a painting like that where you've got like, see, this whole area right here is one color. This whole area here is, you know, just a couple of colors. That actually makes it a bit less boring for me because I'm not doing huge sections of one color. That gets really boring for me. But I also am not constantly doing color changes. So I think that's going to be awesome. This is really beautiful, you guys. I'm so excited. Hopefully I won't get stressed. Hopefully I'm able to get it done. Let's take a quick look at these girl colors. Yes, there are 39 colors in this, which also, it's a little less overwhelming for me, honestly, when there aren't like a ton of different colors. So let's take a quick look here. We've got some nice gray. We've got a brown, some darker gray. My lighting's not very good in here today. Some greens, and again, a kind of darker gray. Next strip. Ooh, that's a long strip of drills, you guys. We've got almost, well, that's 3799, so it's a real dark gray. Some more grays, some 3371. So yes, my lighting's so bad. I'm not sure if that's a dark brown or a green. Uh-oh, ABs. We got some ABs. We got 141. There's actually quite a few of those 141. So we'll take a look at the ABs and where those go on the canvas in just a minute. But they're nice white ABs. Got some 779, 895. Yeah, I'm real far away from my camera today. But some kind of creamy colors, more gray, lots of grays in this because the house is white. So your shadowing is probably going to be gray. some green, some dark brown. Oh, there's 310. I'm not sure if that's all of it, but so far that's all the 310 I see. Okay, where's the last strip? Okay, so, okay, here come our 4th of July colors. That's a beautiful 4th of July blue, some 321, 939, some sort of terracotta tan colors. We've got 820. Let's see. There's 666, our nice vibrant bright red. Some more sort of terracotta-ish. Listen to me making up words. Red colors, which probably will be some of the shadowing in that. The red. So, oh, another AB 136. That's so pretty. See that sparkle? Oh my gosh. Such a pretty color. 3830, 647, a pale blue. That might go up here in the sky, I would think. Okay, so beautiful colors. Going to be a beautiful 4th of July piece. Let's try to figure out where those ABs go. So our ABs are 136 and 141, symbol 1 and 2. Okay, so I'm seeing the symbol 2, which is, where'd that AB go? Hold on, I digress. Okay, well, let's start here. Our 141, of course, is our beautiful white AB. That's so sparkly. And it's going to go on symbol 1. So let's see if I can spot those. So I've got some right here in my flags. So up here in the blue area of my flags. So that's going to be, represent the stars over here in this, down here in this as well. So in these buntings and my flags, we're going to have the white ABs, which are going to, represent stars. There's 2 bags of these, so I'm thinking there has to be some more around here somewhere, but I'm not really seeing it just right off the bat. But yeah, the ABs will definitely be the stars and my flags. And what was that other AB? Give me just a second. Where'd it go? Not that one. Okay, 136. Oh, I had that backwards. Okay, 141 is the 2, which is the white one. And then 136, again, is going to be here in my flags. So in the blue background is going to be that beautiful blue color. So the white one is not the symbol 2, which is going to be, actually, it's around my windows, it's in my flags, it's actually on the siding of my house, in my fence. So there's going to be a lot of those sparkly white ABs, which is going to be beautiful. And then these nice sparkly blue ones will be in my flags and my bunting. Let's see, do I see it anywhere else? Yeah, I think that's pretty much it, just in these flags and buntings. It's, there's not a tremendous amount in that bag, so, just in my flags and bunting, which I think will be beautiful, and I think it's going to be just enough AB to really make this an awesome project. Okay, so I'm glad I unboxed this. I'm glad I opened this. I'm feeling a little less stressed already. Today is the 26th, so I'll be able to, get this started for Chuck Along 3 on the 1st. So what I'm going to be doing over the next day or so is getting this all kitted up. and all ready to go. So yeah, I like the size on this. It's not massively huge like some of the projects I've been doing lately. It is 29 by 22 or 74 by 56 centimeters. I think this is a perfect, oh, I didn't show you the bottom part. Okay, look at, we've got this beautiful cobblestone area. Is that, oh, that's a cat. We've got a little cat walking by, maybe a kitten, I'm not sure. Got a, lamp post over here, the fence. Yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun to work on. I'm not feeling as stressed now. The size is not huge, and I think at this size, this is a really good size to be able to finish this, frame it, and hang it on the wall in July for, the 4th. So super excited to start this now. I'm so glad that I opened it. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun project, I can already tell. And I think I can do this in a month, no problem. So hopefully this will not be too stressful, and it won't keep me from, participating in other events. Gosh, I still got lots of light going on all over the place here, you guys. I'm sorry. So super excited to start this one. Super excited to participate in the Chuck-A-Long 3. So that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I do want to remind you that we can change lives one drill at a time, even if it's just our own, because when we change our lives, the entire world around us is going to change. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.